Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I had a meeting in North Delhi with a client, and I thought that while I was going, I thought I will stop at Roshnara Garden, Roshnara Bagh, and walk around the place. It's something which is historical. Um, it goes back to the Mughal times, during the times of Shah Jahan, and this place is in North Delhi, very close to North Campus. Uh, it's not a place which is very touristy, but it's an interesting place. So I thought I will show you around. Uh, it's a big green area, and there are some old structures dating back to the times of Mughals, especially Shah Jahan's time. Roshnara was a daughter of Shah Jahan, uh, and she was very influential in the Mughal courts. So let me show you around, and yeah, it's good to stop in a beautiful green garden in the middle of a working day. So I'm enjoying that. So let me show you this garden, and so the nearest metro station would be Pul Bangash, which is in North Delhi. North Campus is just like 5 minutes from here. Um those who have studied in North Campus, like I did, this place is very close. Though not many people come from North Campus to Roshnara Garden, because even now I can see it's deserted. I can hear the birds chirping, but very few people here. So let's walk around. Let me show you the place. A very green area. A lot of rains in Delhi, so it is a bit waterlogged. Um, Not very clean, at least not this part. So that is why probably people do not come here much. There is Roshnara Club, which has a cricket ground, which I think is next door to it. There are some matches that happen there, and Roshnara Club is one of the oldest in Delhi. So you can see the water logging here, and you can see that structure which looks like a structure from the Mughal times, though it's been kind of refurbished and renovated. You can have a look at it. So this monument is called Roshnara Garden, Baradari and Tomb. You can see it. It is getting renovated, so you can have a look at it. This place is getting, this monument is getting renovated. I find it very interesting, though some people might say, okay, it's not so great, it's out of the way, but I find it very fascinating, these little known structures. So yeah, you can see it's mentioned here, conservation work in progress. So yeah, you can see this. I have come inside to see this. Well, this is quite a stunning structure. I mean, I am very impressed. You can see the detailing. And you can see the green area. Quite beautiful. So you can see in this Baradari. Uh, I find it like very interesting. So hopefully after renovation, this place will become little more popular. See the intricate work. And now I have come out on the other side, and yeah, there is beautiful green space. I must say, not very clean, not very well kept, but still quite charming. So this is from the other side. You can see this structure. So that's it from Roshnara Garden. I hope you enjoyed this small video, and I'll keep bringing you more stuff. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.